how to send music on Messenger. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can send music on Messenger, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you open up Messenger and then you would like to send a music, you can see even if I tap the plus button here, there is no option to send a file from my device. I can send photos by the way, but there's no option to send music. But one thing that you can of course do is you can actually choose to send a voice message while recording the music if that's what you're talking about. But if this is not what you're talking about, what we have to do is we have to locate that file manually and share them via Messenger. So it's just navigate to the file manager application on your device and then navigate to where you would like to go ahead and then share the music to. Long press on that music from your file manager app, then just look for the share button depending upon the app that you're using. From here you can simply search for Messenger and then select Messenger, then just allow the access. Once you have done that, select the person to whom you want to send that file and then just tap the send button and then you will be able to send them. This way you should be able to go ahead and then basically send music in Messenger. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.